Welcome back to A Gringo Says Spanish Words, where today we will be making Huevos Rancheros. Now, I haven't given breakfast enough love on this channel, and that's crazy because it's my favorite meal of the day. And the number one reason people say they can't get a good breakfast in the morning is not enough time. That's why I love this recipe. It's bare bones, you don't have to measure, and you can do most of the work the day or night before. Let's get into the recipe by starting with a simple salsa. Now, I've made salsa before on this channel, and if you like that recipe, it would be perfect for this dish. But this is supposed to be simple and mindless. And when I think easy to make, I don't want to pull out a food processor. I'm aiming for something between a salsa and a pico de gallo, so grab your favorite knife and let's chop some veg. Starting with a nice large tomato, we are going for a medium dice, and it will be followed by half a red onion with a bit of a finer dice. For a little heat, I'm adding in one jalapeno with the seeds removed. If you don't like the heat, you can choose a pepper lower on the Scoville scale or just omit entirely. Chop up a small handful of cilantro, the amount is just up to your liking, and we will finish with salt, pepper, and some lime juice to taste. Set aside and let's refry some beans. Moving over to the stovetop, add a bit of olive oil to a saucepan on medium-high heat, to which we will add roughly a 1/4 cup diced onion and 3 or 4 cloves of diced garlic. Let fry till a deep golden brown is achieved, and we will add to this our beans that have been drained and rinsed. Cover and let cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally till softened. Use a fork or potato masher to smash the beans, and then we can season. I'm using a pinch of cumin and pepper flakes from a certain pepper company I'm rather fond of, and finishing with salt and pepper to taste. Now that's all the work you can do the day or night before. The salsa will be good for 2 or 3 days in the fridge, and it's perfect to mess with. You can get a little sweet with some mango pineapple. You can go spicier with some more peppers, maybe a habanero. And then the beans, they'll last you good 4 or 5 days. You can use brown, you can use black, you can do whatever you want. Add cumin, add paprika. So easy to play with, but still a great breakfast. It's time to have your preparation pay off. Start by cutting up a green bell pepper for a garnish. I'm using a julienne cut. Next, warm up both your beans and your salsa. Huevos Rancheros are traditionally made with warmed salsa. To be prepared, I'm prepping my corn tortilla by covering half with refried beans. Moving to the stovetop, I'm melting butter in a small skillet on medium-high heat before cracking an egg straight into the pan to fry it. Let it cook for a minute or so before flipping and taking a second to appreciate that nice color on your egg. Remove from the skillet straight onto your tortilla, top with our salsa, and no egg dish is properly enjoyed without a little hot sauce. This dish is a fantastic breakfast. It's full of protein and vitamins, but most importantly, it tastes delicious, and you know it's perfect when you have a runny yolk. If you like this video, consider watching another. If you want to see more recipes in the future, hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.